Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. So this is going to be just a quick analysis as we did our weekly analysis yesterday. You can go back and check that. So on our economic calendar, nothing changed. We're waiting for tomorrow. We're gonna have PPI and a meeting from Federal Reserve. Actually, Powell is going to speak around 4 and PPI around 2:30. So on Wednesday, we have CPI and retail sales. I don't know why they combined this, but this is not going to move very nice unless if they all take the same direction. If maybe all they are going to go down, that will be good. If they are going to go up, that is going to also be good. But if it's going to be a mixed up, so we're not going to get a proper move, the market will just consolidate. So yeah, that is not going to be good because we're expecting to see some very proper moves on Thursday. We see that we have employment change from Australia. So what do we have, guys? Yes, we still have that special for those who wants to be part of the team. You can still be part of the team. Just let me know. You can see, so this is going to end this week Sunday. So if you want to be part of the team, just reserve your spot and let me know. As you know, we're going to start with a Eurozar. We can easily see that ZAR is getting stronger, guys. ZAR is getting stronger. We can see that the market has been going up a little bit. The market has been going on this nice uptrend. But it seems like South African rand is getting way too stronger. It seems like we're going to see a nice breakout there. If we go closer there, let's see what's really happening. You can see that we have this proper support here, and the market is already getting out. The market is breaking out, so which means a nice sell can actually work in our favor. If we have something like that, that will actually be good. But for now, let's wait for a proper or clear breakout, because now the market is very, very closer to this support. So let's wait for it to go a little bit lower. But we see a very nice breakout from that. So now we are on DXY dollar indicator. This shows that the dollar is gaining some momentum or not. We can easily see that we are still on that nice support area where the market is respecting this level. So I'm expecting to see the market going up. You see, I'm expecting to see the market reversing there. But remember, we have enough economic news this week, so it's up to the market whether the market wants to break the support area and go down, or maybe we will see a nice reversal going even higher. But at the moment, we just need to wait and see. As it's Monday, we know very well that from tomorrow is gonna get busy with this economic news. So on US oil, I can say nothing much changed here. We saw a nice breakout, then the market is now going down. The market was reversing, unfortunately, on last week. So we also saw another reversal. Now it seems like the market is respecting these levels. So maybe the market just wants to consolidate before continuing going down. So, but the bigger structure here is we are on a downtrend structure, and we have to continue looking for something like that, right? So let's push to the next one. Remember, this is just quick analysis. On USD JPY, we can easily see that we don't really see any change because the market is just consolidating around this level. Maybe the market wants to create a resistance around that level before going down, and maybe we will end up going up. But since tomorrow we're gonna start to have PPI as economic news, the market might just consolidate until we have those economic news. For those who don't know, when we're expecting some high impact news, the market doesn't really move that much. It's like people just stay out of the market waiting for proper moves or proper directions after the news. So at the moment, yes, we can say we are on that nice uptrend, but we're just waiting for a better structure that we can use for us to do what? To continue buying. But at the moment, we are around the center of this structure. So we're waiting for the market to reverse or to break around this, or to create a proper resistance that we can use to actually buy or sell. For those who wants to be part of mentorship, guys, yes, we still have mentorship for $350. You are going to learn about mindset, being consistent, the main thing is to be consistent in the market, which means you will be mastering your risk management. Yes, you can lose here and there, but what I like is you're going to be consistent, which means you're going to have some trading plans here and there, and you're just going to focus on that, right? And let's see, we are on gold. The market was still on this nice consolidation structure. We had a breakout. It seems like the market is trying to go back again, or maybe the market is trying to retest around this level. If it retests here, I'm expecting to see a very nice push to the upside, or maybe the market is willing to go even lower. Maybe we might end up having something like that. It's possible the market might create something like that, but at the moment I think we just have to wait. I think on Friday or Thursday we did have a trade on that, and you can see the market is reversing, which means it did not really go very well. So now we are on Euro JPY, quite similar to USD JPY. The market is still on this nice uptrend, so we expecting to see maybe the market to reverse so that we can easily buy, or maybe the market will end up creating a very quick resistance that we can use so that we can actually continue looking for our buy positions. You can see we have this area and that one, so at the moment we just have to relax and wait maybe for this area. Then we can say maybe the market will reverse, or maybe the market will end up breaking out. But since we already made something there, we don't really have to worry much about anything from here. Quite similar to GBP, JPY, we are still on that nice uptrend structure. So now our job is just to wait for a proper reversal before we do something. We're waiting for the market to do something like that so that we can do what? We can easily buy, or maybe the market will find a nice resistance before reversing there, because we are on that uptrend. So we want to do what? To continue eating, or sorry, continuing to continue buying as the market is going higher and higher. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Let's continue to the next one, which is actually Bitcoin. We can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? We are on this nice uptrend. We were on that nice uptrend. The market is trying to reverse. Obviously, the market seems to be reversing. I even show something like this, like a smaller nice reversal there, but it seems to be struggling to break this area, breaking that area. Maybe the market will end up going higher, but we will just wait and see. But at the moment we have this support area that is not really as perfect as you might think, but that is actually a support area. Once the market get out of that, we can say yes, Bitcoin is now trying to give us that sell structure, but already we can see a clue. We have a clue that the market is trying to do that, but it's not really aggressively selling at the moment. So on, let's get out of this. So on Euro USD, we can easily see that the market is actually on our resistant area, but the overall structure, it's actually a nice sell structure. But now we are playing around this resistance. So it's up to the market if maybe it will be breaking out of that structure, or maybe respecting that, going even lower. But I'm expecting to see the market go down, because we can easily see that the market is struggling around these levels. So that can be a different story. And remember, Europe, they also wanted, they said they will be cutting the rates next month, which makes the Europe to be a little bit weak. And the dollar, they also want to actually cut the rate. So this actually makes the market to consolidate, because they are going to be weak a little bit. But this week's economic news, I think, is going to be a different story, or a game changer that can give us a clue on what will actually happen. But something like this might also happen. A nice reversal can happen, or maybe a breakout. And if that breakout happens, it means that we will be getting out of that downtrend. Now we will be going on that uptrend structure. But at the moment, we just need to wait and see. But the structure is actually on a very nice area where we can actually have a proper sell. We did have a proper sell, but the market is just playing games around that level. So quite similar to GBP USD, we can easily see that the market is still playing around this level. I'm expecting the market to continue going down if it still respects this downtrend, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of that structure and continue going even lower. So now let's go straight to US30. It seems like US30 is about to break that resistance. We did have a proper nice bullish structure there, and we did eat from that. So now the market was creating a nice resistance here, so which means we don't really have to jump there. Let's wait for a proper breakout, then we can continue buying. But remember, we have some economic news, so it's possible that the market can actually reverse aggressively, especially if CPI is going to be positive. That is going to be a different story. If it's going to go higher, we're going to see the market reversing, because that will mean that the dollar is quite stronger, and that is going to delay the rates cuts. So I'm still bullish on US30, but we have to be extra careful with the coming news, because they will be aggressive if anything happens, whether positive or negative. That will be good for the market. So now we are on Bitcoin, so we can easily see that are we expecting the market to go even higher? We did have a buy, then the market is still playing around here. I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy. But you know what? We just need to play it safe here before the news. If we need to get out, we can get out, so that we can have maybe proper buys if the market reverses. So we don't really want the market to reverse with us while we're still holding, because anything can happen. We don't really know what will happen starting from tomorrow. PPI, it's also very important, so we will start to see those crazy moves, right? So but here we have a proper smaller breakout there, and it seems like the market is also creating a ranging structure around that level. So we're just waiting for the market to go up. If that happens, that will be good for us, because we can able to get out. If it goes down, it's going to be a different story, but we will still be on that bullish structure, and we will be expecting to buy if things are going to be continuing or respecting that uptrend. So on S&P 500, on this one is much better. I'm already out on this, because I saw the market was not really moving nice. It seems like the market is creating a resistance, but we were on this nice bullish structure, so which means we were eating there. But the bigger structure, you can see that yes, the market might still continue on this uptrend structure, as we are on that uptrend structure. So anything that happens here, we just need to be extra careful. You can lock your profits, because tomorrow or from tomorrow, the market will start to move according to the economic calendar or fundamentals, right? So you just have to make sure that you understand that. So for those who wants to be part of the team, let me know. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. You can post the video. You can join $10 if you want to test my signal. 6 months, $39, which is actually affordable, but just know that this special ends this weekend. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.